In this video, I'll show you how you can improve your ping in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to Google and search for BT Roblox and open up the Chrome Web Store. In here you want to add it to your Google Chrome, and don't worry, it's completely safe. It has 4 million users, lots of good ratings, and I use it myself. After you add it, you want to reload your page, and when you see some extra chat on the left side, that means it's running. Then what you want to do is click up here and open up the BT Roblox. From in here, scroll all the way to the bottom, open up Advanced, and in here you want to make sure you choose Region. Now you can select Region or you can choose Ping. Actually both of these work fine, but let's just choose Region first, reload our page again, and then find a game. So let's just choose this one, Pet Simulator. And in here what you want to do is you want to scroll down, and from in here you'll be able to see the servers. So as you can see, these region, let's just exclude the full servers. Now in here you can see Germany, Singapore, Netherlands, and from in here you just want to choose the one closest to you. Now if we come up here again and we select ping instead, what we can do is just do ping, reload our page, and now it will show the ping. So exclude the full servers, and from in here you can look for the one with the lowest ping, and for me that would be this one if I don't want to look for more, and this will be the best one for me. So that's basically how you can check it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.